ito nisingha parato nisingha jato jato jam tato nisingha antar nisingha hridaye bajir nisingha madim sarva. Very auspicious day today, the Avirbhav Divas of Sri Nisingha. But who is Nisingha? Krishna himself. Keshavadhrita Narahari Rup. Krishna, Keshav, same Keshav. But not direct. His chakra became Nisinghadev. So everywhere in temple pratishtha, chakra pratishtha is done, and in this only praying to Nisinghadev. So chakra is nothing but Nisinghadev, or Nisingha is nothing. So always his main mercy to protect devotees. The chakra who saved Ambarish Maharaj was himself Nisinghadev. Also the chakra Shishupal for chakra. Also Nisinghadev killed him, means chakra. So no difference. This is like a manifestation of chakra originally, and all the instrument in the hands of Krishna are all Vishnu. Or you can tell the manifestation of Baladev. Same thing. So, if he will call Nisinghadev, he will come and save you from any difficulties and problems given by demons and others. So, Vaishnava has a special thinking about Nisinghadev. We don't worship so many Ram and others, but Nisinghadev, because he always. Ram is even Krishna, and he is superior in some respect than Ram, Nisinghadev. But yet, we don't worship. We worship Nisinghadev. So today is birthday or Avirbhav, appearance day of Nisinghadev. I want today that today no cooking in morning or midday. So I want that all the sannyasis and all prominent bhakta speakers, they should be arranged and noted down their names, that gradually, one by one, they will read Srimad Bhagavata and explain. Continuously. Up till where Prahlad Maharaj rejected the boon of Nisinghadev. And how he taught all the demon boys and made them Mahabhagavad. Like up till Guru Sushikshana. Up to this chapter. So today I want that all should attend and all should hear. No need of taking anything. Only children and those who are too much old or sick, to whom doctors has advised like so they can take something for maintenance. Otherwise we should do fast. If you Nisingha will see that, they are all fasting, taking so much trouble, and then he will be pleased. Other, if you will drink, laugh, marry, joking, then he will neglect. So I want that you should attract his mercy. That for Nishingadev, oh, you are really accepting like tapasya, austerity. This is like austerity, Ekadashi Upavas, Nishingadev, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Purnima, Ramnavami, Ashtami. This is austerities. But not austerities like yogis. It is austerity to attract Chaitanya, Krishna mercy. So you should try to do. And I want to begin that once Yudhishthira Maharaj did Rajasuya Yajna. What is that? Not killing anyone, but sending his army in the guidance of Arjun, Bhima and Arjun to conquer all this, all the whole world. If without fight they are coming, surrendering, or don't do anything. Take something as a tax for Yudhishthira Maharaj. And those who want to fight, then you can fight. So Bhim was like a general.
Commander.
And he went. Sometimes where needed, Arjun also went. And thus, he traveled everywhere and took some taxes from all, and then he returned, and then a very high class of yajna, fire sacrifice was done. The question arose, who will be today worshipped first? To whom all should worship in the beginning, so that this festival should be successful. Oh, then Bhisham Pitama, Sahadev first,
The astrologer.
he had a proposal. He gave a proposal that why not Krishna should be worshipped? He is the God of God, Lords of Lords, he is Supreme Lord. And he is here. Bhisham Pitama and others, they
Support
it. But Shishupal, he became very angry. At that time, he was the leader of Duryodhana and all other demons. And he has some dvesh, irsya, envy. And he wanted to kill Krishna. Because he knew that Krishna will kill me. Why should I not kill him first, that I will be saved? Yeah.
Yes, Krishna has taken Rukmini from him.
Yeah. And he wanted to marry with Rukmini. But tricky Krishna, what did? Kidnapped Rukmini. And in his front, defeating all. And he married.
He came there as a bridegroom.
He was satisfied. He is Purna. He is what? Complete. He had nothing to do, to take from anything. But for this he took Rukmini and he married. And they were doing like, what has been done? Like Hatmalla, you know? Repenting. Wringing their hands. Alas, oh, this bogus person, black person, and amidst all general Jarasandha and all were here. They could not do, and he defeated them all and he took away. So he wanted to take revenge.
Like a lion takes food from jackals.
Yeah. And then, Shishupal saw Krishna, and he began to criticize and abuse. Who is this person? He has no father, mother actually. 2, 3 fathers. So anyone does not know the father of this person.
How far now?
no,
No Varna. Which Varna do you belong?
no burden, nothing.
No caste.
Low caste, even now low caste.
No caste.
কোনো জাতি নাই।
He has nothing. He has no whereabouts. Who is he? And you
লায়ার, চিটার,
also,
Chief.
not only thief, he's a lusty person. Very lusty. When he will see any lady, he will be attracted. And anyhow by trick, he will bring these ladies to him. And not he is satisfied with one lady. Oh, thousands and millions of ladies. No, not only this. He climbed on the tree with the garments of gopis who were taking bath naked, and he told, one by one you should come naked. Oh, what is this silly thing? And you are so mad that you have no intelligence. To become he, select him to be done first puja of that person. If I am here, I will not let you to do this. I will fight for this. And so many demons, Duryodhan and others, oh yes, he is telling, oh, good, like clapping. And then, oh, he abused more than 100. And this was also some reason.
Boon.
When his mother gave birth to this Shishupal, he has 4 hands. And a real voice came that anyone who will see him first and his hands will go away, then that person will kill him. So, all relatives were coming to see this child 400, and very beautiful also, very strong personality. And Krishna, being the maternal uncle,
और nephew होगा, भांजा होगा, like nephew of Shishupal's mother,
his mother was
auntie of Krishna.
auntie of Krishna, Vasudeva's sister, Kunti and that, both were sisters. So, out of what? Samajik Riti,
Social customs.
custom. Krishna took so many ornaments for that boy, and being representative of his father, and he came to see his what?
Cousin
Nephew,
brother.
cousin brother. And when he came nearer and he wanted to take in his lap, at once two hands went
Disappeared.
down. Then his mother began to weep loudly. Oh Krishna, you are my nephew. I want to have a boon. That it has been forecasted by aerial voice. One to one he will see, and at once 2 hands will be gone. Then he will kill this boy. So I pray you not to kill him. If he offends you even, then Krishna told, oh yes, I'm giving you boon, but when he will
Abuse me.
abuse me more than 100,
100 times.
after this I will kill, otherwise no. His mother was become very happy, told that he will never. I will make him reform and advise his to do. Later on, when he became bigger, he knew this fact. So he became angry. He wanted always to kill and to abuse Krishna. So when he abused Krishna more than 100, Krishna took his chakra and at once. Oh. And the chakra wanted to go very fast, not like Durvasa. Huh? For Durvasa he was going
First gear.
only What? पीछा कर रहा.
Following.
Following, not killing.
Gave him a break.
But for him, at once, in a second, he took his head. And so, and at once, a very effulging light came from his this.
Body
And
moving in the sky.
he went in the sky and returned back in the lotus feet of Krishna. See that light mixed. And then Yudhishthira Maharaj became very wondered. How a yogi, a rishi, Maharshi, after thousands of births, doing like Aham Brahmasmi, Soham,
Tattavasi.
Tattavasi. And they cannot have this high class of
Destination.
Destination of the
destination. That is Saiji Mukti. And he, anyhow, Saiji Mukti. But what wonderful event was that? More. That this light went in the
lotus feet of Krishna.
Krishna. But where? Narayan was there. Because all the
Incarnation.
always being in Krishna, become his supreme Lord. Narayan was there. So he came to Narayan and became
Joy.
Jai. But it was not seen by,
External.
Externally.
but how it became? Because whole world in the stomach of Krishna. So Narayan and other incarnation be whole world can be there, everything, whole universe can be there. But even empty. Very wonderful. Yudhishthira Maharaj, he was not a,
Not an ordinary person.
Bhim was so much strong. Mahabali. Arjun too. But when we think and we do vivation,
Discussion.
deliberate, right?
When we
Compare or anything, think that who is more stronger,
Power.
Mahabali, powerful, Yudhishthira, Bhim or Arjun. We find that where Arjun and Bhim were not successful, they are only by the glance of Yudhishthira Maharaj. Big serpent. Dharma,
Jaksha Sangha.
Jaksha. Yes. Bhim was once wrapped by the body of snake. That is bigger. And he was not giving up. And then Yudhishthira came and he saw that serpent and at once left. So you should not think that Arjun and Bhima are more powerful. But Arjun Bhakti is most superior than him. So in Yudhishthira there was dharma, and that is why he is called Dharmaraj, and that is he is so powerful. So when Yudhishthira Maharaj saw, then he began to think, how wonderful, how it began. A yogi, rishi, muni, they don't have this kind of mercy of Krishna. And he is mixed from outside, it seems. So how it became? Then he questioned that Yudhishthira Maharaj, O Narada Rishi, you know everything. You can remove my doubts. So please explain. If Krishna has no fear from anyone, no one, and he does not want anything, he is Purna, Purnatam himself. He is also Atmaram, Aptakam. But even why he takes the paksha side of devotees and gods, demigods, and why he defeats or kill demons. Why? I want to know. And then he began to reply that only the reason of all these things is called time. And what is time? His own past activities is called. So, sometimes when Satyajug comes like, demigods and others, they become superior, prominent. And in Kali Yuga,
Demons are powerful.
demons are powerful, according to time. And it seems that Krishna helps them. And in Satyajug Treta, he helps, but he never does anything. He is always equal to all. But it seems, so everything due to God. You also should note down, don't be angry to anyone. Don't criticize anyone. If you are in distress, problem so much coming, it is due to why? Tatte nukampam susumekshmano munjan eva atmakritam. What? What I have done in past? This is coming. And if you are a pure bhakta, your all that activities has been finished. Then why this coming? Due to the mercy of Krishna. Vipatti is not coming. Problems are not coming. Krishna is sending. Why?
To make us humble.
He, Pandavas, praying for so much calamity or why? Because Krishna will be here. And Krishna gives so much calamity, so much distress. Like Draupadi was taken her clothes by Dushasana, and why he did? To Prahlad Maharaj, why he did? He gave so many troubles to Krishna. Why? To know that whole world should know that my devotee is so high, that they don't care of all these things. And I must save them to show these things. So, you will know all these things by Srimad Bhagavatam. So I request you to make announcement. Padmanam Maharaj, other senior Maharaj, Sar Maharaj, Ashram Maharaj, Aranya Maharaj. Besides, there are so many grihas, speakers. So many, Ram Vijay Radha Kantan, also Kailash Prabhu also. You know Kailash? You don't know Kailash.
Vita Samsar.
He is there.
गीता संसार का इलाज.
Lalit Mohan Prabhu and others.
And
Mahi Bharat, Brajanath, so many. So, I want that whole day, up till 9, up to 6 when I will come, and after that, we may do Abhishek of Nishin. Be ready. All Panchamrits should be there, flowers, garlands, some prasadam. And then, but we will try to do like Ekadashi after his birth. If anyone wants to break his fasting, or by prasadam he can take prasad, but only fruits, vegetables like this, not anything else. And those who want to do fasting in night also till morning, very easily they can do, and they should do. And then we will take worship next day Nrsimhadev and take prasad. Go Preman. Now I want that